Okay, welcome to my video of demonstrating a problem with a Remote Pro garage door opener. I've been pleased with the other units that I've been sent from these guys, but this one has had a problem and I have sent it back saying it doesn't work. They've sent it back saying it does work, so I'm just going to demonstrate the problem that I'm having with it. Hopefully will illustrate that in fact the unit is faulty and should be repaired or replaced. So there's no battery in this at the moment. Pressing buttons doesn't get anything, obviously. I'm going to open it up and demonstrate putting a new battery in it. And what the problem actually is. Standard way of pulling it apart. The back comes off and the PCB is available inside and it just pulls out. It's not latched in or anything further. Inside we can see the 4 main push buttons, which all give good tactile clear feedback, and the button cell holder. It's currently empty. Now what I have here is a new lithium cell, CR2032, 3 volts. It looks a little scratched, but I've been taking it in and taking it out a few times, but it is a brand new cell out of the package. And to demonstrate that, I have a multimeter here set to read voltage, and I'll take a shot across the contacts there, 3.33 volts. So that's a good fully charged lithium cell, as I said, practically brand new. Now, if I just go ahead and put the button cell in, this side is plus, as you can see, and the indicator on the holder shows that this is the plus side as well. Also, you can just see from the physical attributes of the holder that the connectors around the outside are meant to mate with the outside large negative contact, and the flat button on the bottom contacts with the PCB contact on the top of the PCB. So if I just pop the unit in, as you normally would, and have a go, pushing the buttons, we get no activity at all. You would expect to see the light, the LED up at the top here, flashing. Now, interestingly enough, and I suspect what has been seen by whoever tested this unit when it was sent back, is that if we take the battery out and just insert it partially, then in fact we get activity, and I can hear the garage door opening in the background, but the buttons activate the light as they're supposed to. Now I'll push the cell in a little bit further. We no longer get activity. In pushing the cell all the way home, same thing, we don't get the activity. Similarly, extracting it has something to do with the connectivity of this PCB. I've tried to fix it and adjust it and get it to work properly, but it doesn't. And again, pushing the buttons now with the cell half out operates properly. So there you have it. Yes, the unit works, but it only works when the cell is half pressed in, and even just putting it sort of most of the way but not all the way, we have no function. It has to be nearly all the way out for it to operate, as it does there. and reliably in that state. But that's no good, because in that condition it won't fit, obviously, into the container, into the enclosure. So I would very much appreciate if Remote Pro would consider replacing this unit or repairing it as I first asked. Thank you.